Welcome back to my CryptoQ Media channel. It's great to have you back. Would you say this is the biggest jump for XRP so far? A bullish trend in the price movement isn't the only thing giving investors reason to be optimistic. More changes are taking place behind the scenes as well. We will be talking about Grayscale soon, and that is more significant. In this video update, we will go over everything from XRP market activity to Gary Gensler and the Brad Garlinghouse. Make sure you press that like and subscribe button to stay updated on the latest occurrences in the cryptocurrency world, especially as they relate to XRP. So, without further ado, let's watch the video. Let me start by saying this. Additionally, I'd like to start by talking about the generally known and joyfully adopted Grayscale trust related to XRP. Grayscale is finally here. They prefer to gain trust before everyone else. From where I sit, they have a stranglehold on the market. Prior to the creation of ETS, there was obviously an Ethereum trust as well as a Bitcoin trust. In contrast, the XRP one has already gone live and has about 700,000 in AUM. The stock is presently trading for around 11.79, which is absolutely absurd, as you can see at the very bottom of the screen. Permit me to clarify for the benefit of all, this signifies exactly what it says. In reality, the trustee is the rightful owner of the asset. Those people are by no means the only ones who get it, though. The trust share is, of course, linked to XRP. Whatever the situation may be, it's still quite significant news, and the fact that Grayscale is open to having it bodes well for future developments. Unfortunately, at this time, only institutional investors can take advantage of this. It's based on an asset whose settlement for XRP, Grayscale, and all others involved is still not formally finalized, and it's absurdly enormous for such a short period. We are obviously still waiting for the SEC to decide whether to appeal or not to suit. It appears they are about halfway through the process. But this is important. After a week, taking into account the amount of days it has been available, how would this appear? What happens in 2025 and beyond, when the market starts to change, is the big question. Can you tell me when other parties will start looking into these trusts? Will this also be converted into an ETF in the far future? A lot of people bring up the fact that these ETFs came about because of the trusts. Bear in mind that the SEC and Grayscale are obviously in a race to have that turned into an ETF. If it is important to you, there are still a few weeks till the SEC is officially over. After that ruling, we can see what happens because the case is officially closed and gone. That date is critical because the SEC has until October 7th to submit an appeal. I think the SEC will give XRP a pass because they are busy with other issues, like suing someone else and trying to bankrupt Terraform Labs. I don't think they will appeal because this is on top of our huge scale trust. The security is not the token itself but the asset, the company providing it, and the contract that came with it. Keep in mind that they have already acknowledged they were incorrect. We will make sure to keep you informed. As this image demonstrates, the SEC is engaging in deceitful tactics, and Brad is merely occupying himself until the situation resolves itself. What kind of effects does that have on people? The current amount of XRP hoarding is unparalleled. There is currently no established market for trading 180 XRP tokens, which are worth 3 million. Exchanges are starting to stock up, and individual investors are trying to position themselves for when this truly takes off. This is becoming more prevalent. In spite of the skepticism, I continue to believe that XRP will achieve significant progress. You can sense the sentimental air about it right now. Trust has gone from being grayscale to being completely transparent. Why isn't the price 3? Why haven't we been pushed to the brink of oblivion? I suppose we're all wondering. How can we maintain our bullish optimism on XRP if its price isn't rising? Their relationships and success in the meme coin sector are known to you, but there are now a number of problems holding it back. It seems to me that Ripple has been following our lead for some time now, i.e. accumulating during down markets in order to burst during up markets. It is reasonable to anticipate a string catalyst after that transition, because the SEC has sued during the past 4 years. That is what I see happening in the future, and it's the reason why XRP's price keeps getting people excited. After the SEC process is over, XRP's value is expected to significantly increase. Whether this is a contributing or subtracting component is yet to be determined. Let me get this straight. The Federal Reserve is right here. Even though corporation hasn't said it would utilize XRP yet, rumors abound over whether it will be XRP or XRP Fed. It would also be a great addition to the movements of many other projects that are working to improve international payment networks. This is why a lot of people are betting that XRP will hit one soon. I have stated it on other XRP related videos, but I believe one is within striking distance. Levi Aretha dives into maybe more extravagant pricing when he talks about his goal of 1000 XRP in 2024. We aren't quite there yet, in my opinion. In that regard, I anticipate that one will soon start to push to 235.10. Furthermore, I believe that there is still much room for growth. Everything is relevant relative to our market progress. For instance, if Bitcoin stays at 60,000, the XRP price won't go up to 1,000. I believe it is critical to say it plainly. Contrarily, the Federal Reserve has not formally stated its intention to incorporate XRP, so there is that. We definitely aren't able to make the most of opportunities like Fed today because to ongoing legal battles. That's why I think October 7th is so important. It opens up a world of possibilities for XRP's future. Check out the current price action. We're still making a very cool pattern inside this descending channel coil. We have been talking at length about this pattern, and now that we have risen above all the moving averages, we are hoping for a retest. If this occurs, I expect the market to make a significant change. As we've been talking about, Bitcoin might make a move, and XRP and Ripple will react accordingly. Since it does reveal the possible future direction of the market, October 7th is an appropriate date to include it on the chart. Several experts are predicting a big change in the price of Bitcoin toward the end of the month and into October 9. It is possible that XRP might spearhead that Bitcoin initiative. In addition to providing updates, we will also share news, reviews, and more with you. A simple like, subscribe, and notifications enabled will keep you apprised of any and all of our XRP related live streams and videos. While we wait, have your say in the SEC matter and the XRP award by posting your thoughts below. We truly value having you here today. For the time being, I ask that you subscribe and favorite my channel.